Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got one error while executing the program. The configure data source URL attribute is not specified and no embedded data source could not be configured. It means उनका कहना है कि data source configure नहीं हुआ. Just click on your dependency and check whether you have added this data JPA dependency and MySQL dependency. If it is present into your pom.xml, then just comment out. Okay. Okay, I'm comment out this data JPA, then check any SQL dependencies, Lambok starter. So we have not added any MySQL dependency. So we can now check whether it is successfully run or not. Just comment out and save the pom.xml. Okay. And run the program again. So see, error is gone. Check here also. See, application is successfully run. We have printed our rest assured. See, there is one employer runner file. In that I have printed one body and code. See, successfully program run. We have printed body and code. Okay.